The history of Altos Hornos de Mexico, AHMSA, is characterized by a constant of technological development, productive effort, and corporate commitment. For over 7 decades, AHMSA steel has been a fundamental factor in Mexico's progress. Steelworking experience, combined with state-of-the-art equipment and highly trained personnel, support an industrial culture based on quality. Operational quality, quality in the product, quality service, quality of life for the employee and his family. Due to the level of production of liquid steel, Altos Hornos de Mexico is the largest integrated steelworks in the country, a position reaffirmed by the Phoenix Project, which extends AHMSA's leadership in flat and non-flat steels. With this project, a new generation of electric arc furnace was added to the production of liquid steel in blast furnace and BOF steelmaking. Fed with scrap, pig iron, and/or iron briquettes, it allows for a greater flexibility in costs by leveraging the variations in the price of raw materials. Furthermore, production of pig iron was reinforced with a blast furnace producing 4,000 metric tons daily, developed with in-house technology. In processing units, a ladle metallurgy station was added, as well as a continuous casting machine for slab with a width of up to 96 inches. These dimensions make it possible to generate steel products that Mexico imported in the past and that are required by the oil and automotive industries. As a central unit, a plate line with a Steckel mill was installed to produce wide plate in sheet and coil. The Phoenix Project included facilities for servicing production such as oxygen and water treatment plants and a greater electrical infrastructure. And capacities were increased throughout the entire production chain, from the iron and coal mines to the finished product. Developed with equity investment, the Phoenix Project required great teamwork in order to bring about one of the most ambitious developments in the history of AHMSA. As a result, today Altos Hornos de Mexico generates new products for the domestic market and has reinforced the competitiveness of its steels with certified world-class quality. Located in Monclova, Coahuila, AHMSA's 2 steelworks are supported by in-house sourcing of iron and coal. The control of their 2 main raw materials represents a competitive advantage for the company that translates into assured supply, economies of scale, flexibility, and costs. 100 kilometers north of Monclova, the Mimosa unit operates underground mines that produce the metallurgical coal required by the AHMSA blast furnaces. Following a washing process for removing impurities, the coal is transported to Monclova over the Coahuila-Durango Railroad, an equal co-investment between AHMSA and the Peñoles Group. In the north, in the municipality of Nava, on the Texas border, the Micare unit produces steam coal that generates close to 10% of the electricity in the country. In addition, pulverized coal is obtained from the deposits and washing plants of Minera del Norte, which is injected as fuel for the blast furnaces. At the Micare and Mimosa units, the high productivity is the result of advanced mining technology and strict safety systems. This guarantees the comprehensive protection of the personnel which, in the context of the new labor culture, works with the pride of being a miner. AHMSA's own iron deposits, located primarily in the states of Coahuila, Chihuahua, and Durango, supply the second fundamental raw material for the steelworks process. Minera del Norte's Hercules unit is located in the semi-desert of Coahuila and is AHMSA's largest iron deposit, connected with the steelworks in Monclova by a 295-kilometer slurry ferroduct. Through this long pipe, iron is also transported from La Perla unit, an open-pit mine in the Chihuahua Desert close to the Coahuila border. The supply circle is completed by the lump iron ore, or concentrate from the Cerro del Mercado unit in Durango and from mines located in Colima, Jalisco, and other states in the country. Iron and coal are molten in blast furnaces and pig iron is generated. This material initiates the metallurgical process. Together, the constant training of personnel, modernization and updating of equipment and processes are permanent tasks at AHMSA. The results are products of recognized quality nationally and internationally. In the domestic market, AHMSA continues to stand as leader in flat steels, hot-rolled coil, wide plate in sheets and coils, cold-rolled coil, tin plate, and tin-free steel. Also produces heavy structural shapes for construction, such as beams, channels, and angles. That leadership in flat products has been consolidated with the production of steels with high added value for the automotive sector, construction, white goods, metallic containers, and industry in general. Wide plate in sheets and coils for offshore oil rigs, railroad cars, liquid containers, heavy machinery, and other structures is produced on the Steckel mill. Today, AHMSA has the capacity for manufacturing the specific steels required by its clients and delivering them just on time to ensure their processes. The company has decided to increase the value added to its products to supply the automotive sector, which is the primary niche of opportunity in the Mexican market. Along this path, new processing units have been developed, such as the degassing and normalizing plants. For AHMSA's human team, maintaining its competitive position in the domestic and international markets is a daily challenge that demands a sustained effort and continuous training. Therefore, at Altos Hornos de Mexico and its subsidiaries, the personnel daily renews its commitment to quality in the processes, products, and services. A commitment that is expressed in the AHMSA administrative system, which includes the international standards ISO 14001, environmental, OSHA's 18001, safety and health, and ISO 9001 for quality. This guarantees the policies of respect for the community and environmental care, maximum protection and quality of work life for the personnel, and the guarantee of quality steels for the client. The harmonious interaction of the personnel with the equipment and cutting-edge technologies, the wholesome relationship with the environment, and customer service position Altos Hornos de Mexico as an example of a new industrial culture, a culture defined by the productive calling of our people that allows us to daily overcome any and every obstacle. In this way, we establish the philosophy summarized in our motto, AHMSA, quality with the strength of steel.